Welcome to Weedhurry POS, the all-in-one platform for running your cannabis dispensary. In this video, we'll walk through the platform so you know where everything is and how to get around. By the end, you'll be ready to start setting up your store. When you visit login.weedhurry.com, you'll see two options: Office and Terminal Login. Office Login is your full management dashboard. This is where owners and managers handle products, reports, settings, and compliance. Terminal Login is the streamlined register view your bud tenders use day-to-day with their PIN to handle sales. For this tour, we'll log in as an office admin. This is your dashboard, the first thing you see after logging in. It gives you a snapshot of how your store is performing. At the top, you have your key metrics: net sales, gross sales, total transactions, and new customers. These update based on the date range you select here. You can filter by today, last 7 days, last 30 days, or set a custom range. Below that, 4 charts: bud tender performance, who's selling the most; categories, your sales breakdown by product type; top products, your best sellers; and payment types, cash versus electronic. At the bottom, quick actions give you one-click access to open the POS, manage products, view customers, check metric compliance, or refresh the data. The sidebar is your main navigation. Let's do a quick flyover of each section. Inventory takes you to your product catalog. This is where you add products, set prices, upload images, manage strains, and allocate stock to rooms. You can add products manually or import them directly from Metric. Purchasing is your invoice and distributor hub. Track what you're buying, from whom, and what you owe. Invoices can be created manually or imported from Metric transfers. Cash handling expands into 3 areas. Cash drawers. Configure and manage up to 5 drawers per location. Main vault. Your central cash ledger for deposits, expenses, and bank transfers. And tracked accounts, for electronic payment methods like PIN debit or credit. Online orders shows incoming orders from your storefront or embedded widget. You can confirm, fulfill, or cancel orders right here. Compliance is your Metric command center. Check your connection status, sync inventory, resolve discrepancies, and retry any failed compliance reports. Sales reports gives you 2 views: a product summary with aggregated totals and a product log with every line item. Both are exportable to CSV. Customers is your customer database. View purchase history, manage medical patient flags, and see loyalty point balances. Settings is the big one. It expands into branding, widget embed, custom domain, delivery, taxes, deals, rooms, business hours, compliance credentials, loyalty, POS and payments, hardware, and integrations. We have dedicated tutorials for each of these. If you have multiple dispensary locations, the location switcher in the top bar lets you toggle between them. Everything in the app: products, drawers, orders, taxes, reports, filters to the location you have selected. Clicking Open POS from the dashboard brings you to the register view. Bud tenders log in with their employee number and PIN, select a cash drawer, and they're ready to ring up sales. The POS has its own dedicated tutorials covering everything from ringing up a sale to processing payments and handling refunds. So that's the lay of the land. Here's what we recommend doing next. 1. Head to Settings Taxes and configure your sales, excise, and city tax rates. 2. Go to Settings Compliance and connect your Metric API credentials. 3. Add your staff under Admin Staff Management with PINs so they can log into the POS. 4. Start adding your products, either manually or by importing from Metric. Check out the rest of our tutorial series for step-by-step walkthroughs of each feature. Thanks for choosing Weedhurry. Let's get your dispensary running.